Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make your Apple Watch vibrate only. So, if your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone, and now you want the Apple Watch to only vibrate each time you have an incoming call or you have an alert, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make your Apple Watch vibrate only, from the watch face, press the Juke, select settings. Now on your settings, you want to scroll down until you get to sounds and haptics. Click on that. Now scroll down. Here, disable ringtone alert. So just disable this to the barest minimum. Now scroll down on the screen, locate haptics and click on that. Once you selected haptics, you want to go ahead and click on prominent. And then once you choose prominent, you feel the haptics on your Apple Watch, and instead of the Apple Watch to ring, hit the bar button, and then you're good. So it doesn't count whether you select the ringtone or not, since you've already reduced the volume to 0. You can even go ahead and disable silent mode, but make sure the volume is reduced to 0 here. Instead of having any volume level, just reduce this to 0. Come to haptics and choose prominent, then hit the bar button, and then you're good. So that's just the basic things you need to do to make your Apple Watch vibrate only. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.